Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, there was a huge sale on GBP USD yesterday. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then yes, I was also talking about some sell off because we were mainly focusing on the chart of DXY. Yes, I clearly mentioned that DXY is an uptrend and there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this level. Honestly speaking, yes, I was talking about uh, uptrend on US dollar for last couple of days, but to be honest, I was also not expecting this kind of huge move. Okay, I was expecting that it would be a normal uptrend market, but yesterday there was a huge uptrend on US dollar, and as a result there was heavy selling on GBP USD. And right now you can see that US dollar is still very strong, and it looks like that it will be going up again. In case there is a retracement on US dollar, then it will be taking support at 94.14 level, this black line, and this black line belongs to the weekly chart. So in case there is a selling also on US dollar, it will try to take support and bounce from here, and if it bounces again, then definitely there will be fresh selling on GBP USD again. And in case it breaks this level, then it will try to take support at this particular level and bounce again. So whatever, the overall trend of US dollar is same. It is in uptrend, and after retracement there is a good possibility of US dollar going up again. So therefore the chart of GBP USD is witnessing heavy selling. You can see that there were big fat candles and still market is struggling here. If you are thinking that you should go for a buy, considering that market has reached the bottom, then my dear friend, you are making a big mistake. Always keep in mind, traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. If you want to make money from the market, the only way to make money is to follow the footprints of the big traders. And right now the big traders, the big boys, the banks, the institutions are on the selling. As a result, you should also be selling, because if you want to earn money. On the other hand, if you stand against the trend of the market, then obviously you will be in loss. So in this chart of GBP USD, the only trading opportunity is, first and foremost, listen to me carefully. First and foremost, if market goes up from here, then there is a good possibility of market retracing or reversing from this particular level of 23.6% Fibonacci level. There's a good possibility of market reversing from this level around 1.3550. Around this level there is a good possibility of market reversing, and if market reverses from this particular level, you can short the market. Just keep in mind, while shorting the market, just consult the chart of DXY US dollar once, because if you see that dollar is an uptrend, then you can easily comfortably short GBP USD if it reverses from this particular level. On the other hand, on the other hand if market breaks this level, breaks this low level of 1.3410, if market breaks this low level, then also you can short the market. Just make sure you are consulting the chart of DXY. If market is breaking this level, then there will be fresh buying on US dollar, or in simple words, when dollar will be moving up again, then GBP USD will be going down. So while shorting the market GBP USD, if you see dollar going up from here, then you'll understand that fresh selling has started on GBP USD and you can short the market. Just keep in mind, my dear friends, just keep in mind, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because following the risk management is very important, and most importantly, Protecting the capital is the most important duty of a trader, and therefore follow risk management and always use stop loss, because anything may happen in the market. So my dear friends, hopefully you've understood that the only trading opportunities, safe trading opportunities, are shorting the market at this particular level if market goes up and reverses, or on the other hand you can also short the market below this level if fresh selling comes into the market. That's it. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow, all the best.